and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2012 SsangYong Korando 2-litre TD EX 4x4 automatic. It has done 77,000 miles since new and it's had just one owner. It comes with a full service history and is packed full of features which include a full leather interior with both front and rear heated seats, rear parking sensors, satellite navigation, cruise control and Bluetooth connectivity. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.